For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, today we are going to make a Punjabi bread, that is Lachha Paratha. So let's start making it. First, we will take half cup maida. In that, we will add 1/4 cup wheat flour. You all can take equal proportion of both the flours. Salt to taste, half tablespoon sugar. I've used castor sugar, you all can use any normal sugar, and half tablespoon Semonlina, also known as Rava. Don't add too much of Rava, otherwise your Lachha Paratha will start breaking. Add water. I'm adding warm water, and don't add all the water together. Add gradually. Now I'm going to add half teaspoon ghee. Now knead this for another 2-3 minutes until it becomes smooth, and then we will allow it to rest for 15 minutes. We will apply some ghee on top and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. I've allowed the dough to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Now take a small portion, just knead it little and start rolling it. Don't worry about the shape right now. Just roll it thin and sprinkle some maida. Now with the knife, we are just going to cut long strips, very thin strips. There are many different ways to make Lachha Paratha. This is one of the ways. Now we will just roll the entire paratha. And we are going to roll this between 2 fingers, and then just the extra one, get it from the bottom. You all can keep this ready, and just before your guests come, you all can roll it and make the paratha. I'm going to do with the other one, and then I'll start rolling both together. Dust some maida, roll the paratha between your hands. Now again dust some maida and roll it nicely. Be gentle. And now we will roast this and let it cook. Now just check the bottom, and then we will roast the second side. Once it's golden from both the sides, we will add ghee and roast our paratha, and our Lachha Paratha is ready. Our Lachha Paratha is ready. You all can serve it with any Punjabi dish or black dal. If you all like it, comment below and do subscribe to our channel Simply Jain.